Welcome my dear student. Now in this video we will see some FAQs of the unit number 1 in the Sant Gadi Baba Amravati University examinations on unit number 1, scale unit number 1. The repeatedly some certain question will be asked, that we call it the FAQs, frequently asked question. There are about near about 11 questions will be repeatedly asked. Sometimes what happen, either there may be many questions will be on the unit number 2 also, but that question of unit number 2 will be asked in unit number 1 also. If you observe that there are 11 questions will be purely on the basis of unit number 1. If you go in a previous way, we find out we find that there are certain question, there are 17 questions, but in that 17 question this 6 question will be of unit number 2. So when we observe unit number 2 we can see that question. Okay, but purely there are 11 questions that is asked in the university paper. Today we can see it. Okay, now starting with the first question: what is the fundamental element of VHDL? Second is, explain the scalar type VHDL with example. Explain assertion and report statement in VHDL. Explain the different operators used in VHDL. Explain the case statement in VHDL. Give the of syntax of loop statement and explain its suitable examples. Explain the three stage of simulation. Explain the composite type VHDL. Explain the model analysis and simulation in the VHDL. What is VHDL and explain the hardware abstraction of VHDL. Explain the physical and composite type of VHDL. Okay. Now these are certain FAQs which is asked in the paper. Parallelly, I told you how to write answer. This is the FAQs. Similarly, we have notes also of unit number 1. It's my own notes. I also share that the PDF of this notes to you. Okay, we directly see the question and answer later. Okay, the first question: what is the fundamental element of VHDL? When there is a question of fundamental element of VHDL, as we know that in the previous videos we discussed that fundamental element of a VHDL, and that fundamental element of the VHDL will be as this one: VHDL fundamental element. It contains identifier, data object, constant declarations, variable declarations, and the signal declarations up to this one. This is all about the fundamental elements of a VHDL. That is question number answer of question number 1. Okay. After that, next question. Next question is, explain the scalar type VHDL in example with example. Scalar type VHDL with example. Scalar type VHDL, when you go through the data types, then the first is the scalar type. This the scalar type with certain example. There is also example also. Okay, we have to explain. Explain the assertion and report statement in VHDL. Explain assertion and report statement. The question of assertion, this is assertion statement, and another one is the report statement, and upper one is the report statement. Assertion statement and the report statement also. Okay, next, explain the different types of operators in detail. These are the 5 to 6 different operators will be there. One, that logical, relational, ID, multiplying, and miscellaneous. These are the 5 operators. We have to explain it one by one. Explain the case statement in VHDL. Case statement in VHDL. This is the case statement in VHDL. Explain the syntax of loop statement and explain its suitable example. Loop statement. This is a loop statement. We will explain it. Explain the three stage of simulation. Then there is the question of three stage of simulation. We will explain this one. Explain composite type VHDL. Then after that, explain the model analysis and simulation. This question, simulation, and this one is the same. What is VHDL? Explain the hardware abstraction of VHDL. Hardware abstraction. There is a particular question of hardware abstraction. This one. Explain physical and composite type in VHDL. This is composite type. VHDL. Okay, so these are the certain questions which is asked in university paper, and also we provide some notes having the answer of this all these questions with you. And here we today is the finish the unit number 1 in details. Okay, if you need query you can put in comments, and we will try to solve your queries one by one. Okay, thank you very much.